I just fucking realized I have been talking for a fucking while now. I've been talking for a fucking while now, but I didn't realize that my mic wasn't set up properly. Anyways, you on side. What's good? What's good? Yeah, so I've been just talking. I've been just yapping my mouth. But now I fucking realized that, yeah. Anyways, I mostly said that we were gonna check. I was gonna check out a mod manager called Amethyst, and this is the second time I think that I'm testing this out. So, not Cozy, another chatter on YouTube, and they, should I say their name on Discord username? Okay, I'm not gonna say the username. Anyway, so they recommended me Amethyst Mod Manager, and a few hours ago, yeah, a few-ish hours ago, right? And I checked it out, and it actually like is like really pretty fucking decent now. So we're gonna continue doing that. And yeah, probably fuck around with that in Gentoo and see if we can compile that properly. And yeah, because currently I'm just using the app image. Anyways, let's go to desktop. I just use open code Big Pickle to manage my mods. What's open code Big Pickle? Is that an actual name? Open code Big Pickle. Is that an actual name? Big Pickle. Okay, what's this? Model? Oh, it's a clanker. Oh. Oh, it's a clanker. Oh. No, this is actually the first time I'm hearing about open code. I don't really I don't really, try to get AI news per se, and just know about the stuff that's like being force fed. So stuff like Claude Opus or something something. It has its uses. Yes, the thing is, those uses don't really interest me. That's about it. Anyways, yeah. Oh, what we're doing? Yes, we were going to, fuck me. Let's copy that, paste that. Also play the music. Where's the fucking line about, yeah, 6? I even used it to mod a game that had no mod tools, and it automatically knew that it had to decompile stuff to get access to certain game files to modify them. Yeah, but as I've said, doesn't really interest me that much or fits my use case. Huh. Self promo Proton. What was the game about though, by the way? Self promo, if you don't mind sharing. Skyrim. Before stuff. Prime more for progressive Skyrim. No, Overzealots. 2D platformer. What was it? Forgotten. Oh, okay. Yo, null PTR. What's good? What's good? I have too many games. Yeah, I need to play so much fucking games. Like, so many stuff is in my backlog, and yeah, most of which are unplayed. True. This is like, yeah, this is the same. This is the same thing with me. I have so much games that I need to play. I need to finish. But to be honest, I didn't buy them per se, so I'm not buying them, so it doesn't bother me that much. But yeah. But if I get Amethyst running though, I will 100% probably like play Fallout 4, like Fallout, not Fallout 4, Fallout New Vegas again. We'll probably do some Fallout New Vegas streams. The YouTube algorithm brought me to you. What do you stream? Where are you from? I mostly. It depends on what I stream. Sometimes I stream Gentoo stuff. So package maintaining this and that. Sometimes I stream just me learning Rust and talking to people. Sometimes it's just me yapping with my chatters. Sometimes it's me playing games. Currently though, we are gonna do some Gentoo package maintainment, fuck around with some PRs, do some minor testing here and there, and on top of that, the main point of this stream is gonna be testing out a mod manager called Amethyst. And 10,000 Bs, and I'm from Bangladesh. Anyways, 10,000 Bs. Hello, I just did a. Yo, what's good? What's good, B? Just did a shit ton of awesome configuration. I landed on Kitty for my terminal, basically lag free, and it works amazing well. That's peak. That's peak. Uh, is this the configuration stuff that you were working with? You know, the BSD with a really old window manager and doing Deltarune type shit, configurations and rising. Are you talking about that? Oh, Gobo Linux. Oh, yeah. You recently is, yeah. I did see. To be honest, that, like, the BSD stuff that you did with the uh WM stuff. What's it called? What's the old WM that you used? I forgot the name. I don't like most mod managers since they all have one flaw or another. And also with the way you install and launch them on Linux, because most of them run the same one prefix in the game with no shortcuts. The thing about Amethyst though is, yeah, I'll show you Amethyst in a minute, right? After I do this stuff. I have high hopes for Amethyst because it's meant for Linux. It's not, yeah, it's meant for Linux. Also, CDE. Yeah, CDE, common desktop environment. Yo, the Ran guy, what's good? Anyways, stream contributors cabin and self promo and overzealous. Yo, we do a DC recommendation stream. Isn't it like at 3 a.m. in Bangladesh? Yes, it's like 2:35 a.m. But I am a night owl. I sleep during the day and I stay awake during the night. So, yeah. Self promo results. And me streaming. Yo, money vibes. What's good? What's good? We're gonna try out Amethyst today and fuck around with it a bit. And content. The scrolls. Streaming content creators cabin. And live streams. Time to eat though. Line test. Oh, time to. I read time to eat, and I was like, huh? What is Pro talking about? Time to try that though, huh? Then my concern would it detect all games? I doubt if they don't manually support a game. I'm a 17-year-old boy. Give me some advices. What advices? Advice with life, advice with job, advice with getting chicks, advice with getting guys, advice with what specifically? By the way, EHT is a British pronunciation of it. Oh, so when I do that, I mean it. Oh, okay, okay. He wants advice on how to become a billionaire. If I had the advice, if I had the advice, okay, I do have the advice. Step 1, go to a billionaire's house. Step 2, become a skinwalker. Step 3, profit. Become a skinwalker, profit. Absolute fucking profit. Absolute fucking cinema chat. This is the advice you need. Not house. Sorry. Mansion. Go to a billionaire's mansion. One of the mansions. For life, I feel lost. All I do is doom scrolling. You're asking advice from a person that doom scrolls. Fam, we're all in the same boat. We're all in the same boat. We're all cooked. This is my advice. My advice would be to just try not to overthink that much with life. Because you're 17, right? You're 17. You're not gonna have, yeah, your teenager life is getting like pretty fucking over. I'm 19 now and I'm gonna be 20 soon, right? We're gonna be 20 this November. And yeah, what I would say is to just enjoy life as much as you can and try not to overthink about situations. That's what I would say. Anyways, let's go from start streaming to fully start the fucking stream after 17 fucking minutes. Yeah, just have fun. Yeah, put it to normal. Anyways, let's check the general chat. Oh, Rory gave the holy fucking hell. Okay, I like this. I like this. Yo, Chad, this is Rory's. Holy shit! I kind of like this. Work hard now so you can enjoy life later. I would say this is a idiotic advice. If you just you need to have a balance, right? You need to have a balance. If you just focus on, I'm gonna work hard round so I can just focus later. You're gonna continue the cycle. You're just gonna continue the cycle, right? But yeah, you need to have a decent uh a decent balance between having fun, like enjoying life, and also not fucking up your life fully. If you're 17, stay in school. 100% best advice. Absolute banger advice. Absolute banger advice. Because, yeah. Can we make a dumbass clip compilation like every year of the funniest clips or the stupidest? You're cooking. Let the Ran guy cook. Let the Ran guy cook. Bro's actually cooking. Anyways, Amethyst, right? And it was in CD downloads. Amethyst mod manager. Now, Eon site. This is allow selected, allow selected, allow selected, allow selected, allow selected, allow selected. Finally, allow selected, allow selected, allow selected. Finally. Okay. This allow selected, you can ignore that. You can ignore that. Like, this is not gonna happen on a normal system. However, I use KeyPassXC as my uh, system keyring, right? So because I use KeyPassXC as my system keyring, and this stuff, I also have notifications. So before accessing the keyring, it asks me if I wanna let this program access the keyring or not. So yeah, this is why I had to do so much allow selected. What's in my fucking override directory? Oh, huh. Root folder, open folder. Is this? Huh? Bitch? What? Bitch, what? Anyways, we're gonna ignore that. We're gonna ignore that. Never in my life that I was gonna say Piper in a nutshell. Allow selected, allow selected, allow selected, allow selected. Is it intuitive yet? Yes or nay? I would say it is. However, I don't know how the fuck you check your proton stuff, like set up your proton stuff. But we are gonna install some mods. Now, it said I can log in via, I have logged in via Nexus, right? Now, yeah, log in on Nexus. It should, I'm using Hyperland, so it's kind of log in via, so yeah. Their credentials and register an XM handle. Oh, did it register? Yeah, our Nexus is connected. Anyways, I'm using VFS for now. Nexus, open Nexus mods. What will that happen? Oh, holy hell. Yeah, so I heard about this. So you don't have to use the browser. Do they have AOR package? I think it's supported and I think it has a package in Arch. I don't know if it's in the AOR, or I don't know if it's the main repos. Probably in the AOR. The concept of Tyler. The Tyler doing is this. Yeah, true. See, chat, this is the thing. If I see I can play this properly, I am 100% packaging it for Gentoo. I don't care how much time this takes, right? I don't care how much time this will take. But I am 1,000 billion motherfucking trillion% packing this for Gentoo. And currently I'm indeed liking this. So we're gonna do sort downloads, date, publish, endorsements. Oh, can I? I wonder. Filters, tracked, endorsed. Yes. Mod configuration menu. Holy shit. Holy shit. This is the first mod manager that I've seen. That doesn't. Yeah, MO2 doesn't support stuff like this. It's been a while since I've used Vortex. It's been like what? I think I've used Vortex back in COVID, right? And back in COVID, Vortex didn't support stuff like this. You needed to go to the fucking uh the stuff. Anyways, we can have an Zeppelin. What's filters? Where the fuck do I search? Where the fuck do I search? I need to hold up. Let's yeah, make this transparent. And also that bro was a teenager in COVID, so what bro? Me? Search more. Uh Vortex Wine Paint flashbacks. Yeah, I just used Vortex back in the day, and it was in Windows. I'm not using Vortex in Linux. Search mods. Zeppelin. Oh, Zeppelin is literally in fucking here. My dumbass didn't see. God, I really want Vim motions for this. I wanna learn. I wanna. Uh. Okay, stream is crapping out. Warning. What warning? What happened? What happened? You left dashboard. Hold up. Did the did I got nuked or something? I think I don't have any SOW stuff in here. Okay. I thought my stream got nuked or something. Holy hell, bro! You gave me a fucking heart attack. Docs, stats. Okay, it's saying OBS is crapping out, but frame missed out of 87,087K frames. 0 frames were missed due to encoding lag and rendering lag, and no frames were missed because of no frames were dropped because of networking. So could it be your stuff? I don't know. It could also just be OBS, yeah, kind of crapping out, or could be that. But yeah. Anyways, let me disable stats. Let me enable preview. Okay, let me. Anyways, Zeppelin install. Yes, main files. Which files to install? Install. Oh, does it open up the? Does it open up a browser? Huh. Oh, slow download. I'm not giving premium to Nexus mods. Huh, why does it? Does it have to be in a specific? Oh, this slacking out with the browser. No, I think it's because of. I think it's because of. I think it's because that I don't have the. That I don't have the. What's it called? Fuck, I forgot. Because I don't have premium. I think this could be one of the reasons. Because you're not able to get the files from. Yeah, Nexus had some. Nexus have some issues, right? So I think it's because of that I don't have premium. But I'm just gonna put it in downloads. Just save it as mods. And let's see. Is it saving stuff in mods? Yes, it did. It still says downloading though. They don't have an embedded browser in the app. It says like this seems like an embedded browser, right? This seems like a fucking embedded browser. But huh. Mod files. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, they could just extract the auth token for the login. Yeah, but okay, don't wait for me to come and clear the cupboards. Yeah, this looks like CEF or Electron for no reason. I think this is WebKit GTK. But let's mods of the 7Cs. Which one has the less predatory downloading hosting? The 7Cs don't really have any predatory download hosting, if I'm going to be honest. And I don't really know that much about premium mods that I would need to get from the 7Cs. So, yeah. Why the hell am I not? You know what? Time for checking out Amethyst, right? Amethyst mod manager. Couldn't wait for you to come and clear the cupboards. Bum, 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 bum. And turn out the opacity a bit. What is happening to a cursor? What dial does it look like the link cursor? It's hyperlink. It's hyperland. And now I'm gonna leave it nothing but a sign. Another leaving, not a seven little man between the lines. And I something wanna call you. So what do you want to do? What's your point of view? Let's go to the wiki. There's a party still. Do you wanna go? Oh, answer with you. Installing a mod. If you add the install button, this will open up a file explorer, which we can select as a file. The downloads tab, this will list all of the files in your downloads folder. From here, you can press an install button. Also have the tab scan another location with the locations button. Via the Nexus website, some mods will have an install with a mod manager button. Press this will install the mod. Via the Nexus window, the manager. This feature requires premium. Yes. So I was right. So I was fucking right. This is the reason why. Yeah. And how the hell do I cancel it again? Cancel. Yes. So we need to do the stuff the old-fashioned way. Which cursor do you like first? Premium third of the ads. Yes, EU on site does make a good point, right? However, what I would say is that this would break Nexus TOS. And do you really want to create a mod manager that's a lot of people that are gonna use that and have the mod manager break the services TOS? Because yeah, the Nexus, from what I've seen, right? You need API keys and other stuff if you want to create a specific mod manager. You can have your own personal API key, but you don't want people to use their own API key for stuff. And it's kind of complicated with Nexus. And Nexus also had a takeover like ages ago. I don't know. I forgot what was the year. Anyways, let's go to Nexus mods, right? And we're gonna do some shit in the old-fashioned way. Before that, we're just gonna. I'm still not mad because like Fallout New Vegas and mod install. Let's check Steam library tutorial files. No, where the fuck is Amethyst mod manager? Downloads Fallout New Vegas mods. Let's nuke that. Override profile blah blah. Cache. Anyways, Fallout New Vegas manual mod install. It's gonna I'm not gonna nuke that. I'm just gonna do mod organizer 2. Let's nuke that because I don't want that. Fallout New Vegas Bethany. Gonna keep Bethany for now. I guess we cannot use the power of the mod manager, but the disappointment just required a subscription. We still can use the Fallout New Vegas even before, like even with like this mod manager, even without the other stuff, it still fucking like slaps from what I've seen. So where's the wizard? Wizard profile, is it in wizard? Setup installers. Wizard, setup installer, no. Xedit, no. Load order config, no. Other Neovim, no. No. Where the fuck is these settings? Is it in here? Download general. Where the fuck is the stuff for Fallout New Vegas configure game? Yes. So you have the option deploy method. You can create sim links, you can create hard links, you can create virtual file systems. Like you can have your mod manager do all three. I'm testing out the virtual file system stuff and not sim links, right? And yeah, this is kind of peak. This is kind of peak. Staging folder, saves folder, cancel. Anyways, downloads. We're gonna. How do I launch arguments? Next is not that. Settings. Yes. Downloads. Also, chat. I'm moving around this window weirdly because you know my fucking monitor, fucking is it's absolute fucking ass. So yeah, this is the reason because I don't see half this fucking shit. But yes, downloads only, general paths, download cache folder for up, config Lutris app image. Hmm. You can this mod manager can fucking interact with the other launchers? Huh? Bitch, what? Can't wait for you to come and clear the cupboards. Keep full mode archives, install new mod, disable manage caches, general, use pre-release version. No. User interface, Pip-Boy, OLED, Normal. Huh. Holy shit, Advaita, Amethyst, Cyberpunk. I could try Cyberpunk, OLED. What's OLED though? Oh, damn. But yeah, I don't have an OLED monitor, so probably it's gonna use. Let me try out Pip-Boy. Holy hell. Holy hell. Holy hell, chat. I kinda like this. I kind of like this. Okay, I kind of like this. Yeah, I kind of like this. Holy hell! You can create it or system things. I need to. Yo, this shit is fire. This shit is actually fire. Hide Ko-Fi button, hide endorse button. Nope, not gonna hide those. Hide BSA conflicts. Nope, not gonna hide those. Downloads, max extractions, general. I need to download mod, download cache folder. Around Lutris. They're saying that you can have the downloads folder like point to a different folder. Where the fuck is the folder then? Let's go to the wiki. Let's go to the wiki. And also let's endorse this. Endorse AMM. Why the hell is it not opening up? Anyways. Wiki. Path. Profile specific saves. Using installing a mod. Let's. How the hell do you change that though? The downloads tab. Yes. You can have this tab scan another location with the locations button. Where the hell is the locations button? Paths. Config location. What's the locations button? What's the locations button? Let's just go light mode for now. Yeah, let's just go light mode for now because yeah, it's kind of iffy on my monitor. But where the fuck is the locations button? I'm not seeing any locations button. Am I fucking stupid? Please expand all, enable all, check out this restore backup. Move selected, filters, not files, text files, saves, data, downloads. Locations button. Found it, found it, found it. This needs to be on the settings. This needs to be on the settings. Download locations. Scan default downloads folder. Nope. Scan this game's download cache. Yes, probably. Add folder. Right. And here we're gonna do oh no other locations. MNT 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 SD1 Amethyst mod manager cache Fallout New Vegas. No. Have to see Fallout New Vegas. Amethyst mod. Perhaps they can support new mod providers. To be honest, all someone needs to do is just like you don't like a mod manager doesn't need to support other mod providers per se. They just need to have yeah. They like anyone can just manually install the mods and shit. Generally, you have a monitor of the Demons of Hell. I think it definitely is monitor issue. But yeah, Amethyst mod. Mods. Amethyst mod mods. Select. Yes. Save. Now, just do downloads. And in here, yes, next. This is mods. Giplet. You know what? Let's go to Giplet. They. Couldn't wait for you to come and clear the cupboards. But now I'm gonna leave it nothing but a sign. Oh, before that, I have an idea. Nano modern stuff, Fallout New Vegas. Do I have MO2? Do I have MO2? Turn on Fallout New Vegas. MO2. Is it an SDA1? Games? No. Music? Did I delete MO2 stuff? Is the C1? SDC1? Nexus? Okay. Mod organizer. Where the fuck is MO2? Fallout New Vegas. I don't see MO2. Fallout New Vegas. MO2. Found it. Mods and what was the Fallout any? Logs. Styles, translation tutorials, web cache, resources. Where's the load order? Where's the load order and my old MO2 stuff? DLLs, loot, logs, mods. Order? Is it in override platforms, plugins, profiles, default? Load order. Yes. Oh, fuck. Fuck my life. Fuck my mod list. Huh. Mod list. This is the one. Please. Does it have the locked order, load order? Oh no. Different fucking file. Fuck my life. Mod list. CF. No. CC. Mod list, yes. Next separator. Ranger main menu. Canvas separator. Little more like movement separator. Yeah. UI separator. Basic. It's in reverse. I think. Base separator. Okay. DLC stuff. plugin stuff. Zippel and NVSE plugin. I have NVSE. I think. NVSE 6.3.4. What version of NVSE do I fucking have? I forgot. New Vegas script extender. Mods. Uh, oh, hold on. Can't I just? HX? I know I have NVSE, but I don't know what version of NVSE I have. Yes, script extender. And I don't know if script extender got an update recently. So, yeah. You last downloaded this. You last downloaded the file once 1st July, right? 1st July, and the last 1st July. Oh, date updated. 25 May 2026. March, April, May, June, July. Okay. Reset. Let's go with Zeppelin and VSE. I'll do mod manager download. No. Oh, sorry. You read chat. Oh, sorry. Our mods, we love him, but wait, I put a link in YouTube chat. What the fuck? Where did our game go? Bro, not this. You forgot. You read chat. Okay. The thing with the YouTube is, don't put links on YouTube because YouTube is a fucking piece of shit. So, holy shit, it's downloading. Allow selected. Anyways. Allow selected. Please. For the love of God. Please. Oh, that works. Oh, of course Google is gonna have the okay, type out any link, type out any other link, type out a GitHub link. Okay, type out a GitHub link and see if that works. Oh, you are a mod though. You are a mod though. Here, Amazon. Oh, I think because you're a mod, if I take your mod perms away, what would happen if I take your mod perms away? Hold up. Install selected. Yes. Now, when will I see if it's installed or not? Extracting, installing. Indexing. Oh. Huh. Super weird, but let the mods just do that, but normal viewers, no. Why is it stuck on installing? Please. Please. Let me see. Advanced appearance. Is it trying to hold up? Hold up chat. Amethyst. Python XDG open LibreWolf and keep us a C proxy. Huh. But why is it stuck on installing? Why is it stuck on installing? Why is it stuck on? Oh, because of this. Because of this, it was stuck on installing. And I didn't see. I need to. A lot always it doesn't work. There's a bug with keypass XC. So allow always. Doesn't work. Text file saves data. How the hell do I see? Oh, right. Anyways, how do I open folder, create an empty mod below. Mod name is cancel. Oh, disable all. How do I? Yeah. Override open folder. Open folder. Create an empty mod below. Okay, we're gonna use what? Listen, I didn't read the manual. Read the fucking manual. We love it. Okay, create an empty mod. We're gonna, and the name is gonna be Pramage. Anyways, the name is gonna be. It's not gonna be Pramage. It's gonna be base separator. Then plugins. Okay, plugins. Create. It's an empty mod. Remove mod. Yes, remove. Oh. So if I click on this, it doesn't work. But if I click on add separator above. Okay, add separator above. Separator name should be plugins. It's gonna plugins, right? Now this is Zipline. Did I endorse? I think I endorse. Nexus actions. Same for endorsement, check updates, track mod, open on Nexus. I'll say track mod. Track in one mod. So okay, I have Zipline. And Zipline settings, obviously. Load up on guns and bring your friend. It's fun to lose and to pretend she's overboard and self-assured. No, I know a dirty word. Hello, 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 how low? Hello, 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 how low? Hello, 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 how low? I'm worse at what just at the best. Follow just because you're doing Gentoo? Yo, Frank Castle, what's good? What's good? If this is your first time on stream, then welcome to the stream. We're fucking around with this bitch of this irritating ass mod manager. I said it's irritating, but it's really great. But it's really fucking great, right? It's called Amethyst Mod Manager, and this is the first time that I'm trying out this. MO2 always fucking dies on me. But, yeah. By the way, the black windows are not censorship for YouTube, they're security. Yes, true. I wish I could show the black windows. I probably can, but I won't be able to take a screenshot when OBS is running. I set my settings that way. So my logic is I won't be able to take a screenshot if OBS is running. So I don't accidentally leak frames and shit. But yeah. Anyway, Zipline, we have these two. Now, we're gonna do some fucking around with New Vegas launcher, right? So we're gonna run. And wait. And wait. And wait and wait and wait. And wait some more. And wait some more. Unable to find any file, please restore file. Yes, I fucking know. Options. Yes, it's gonna use. So is that the? It just works. It just works. True. 610 widescreen. I'm gonna do 900. Anti-aliasing off. Anti-stop filtering off. Vertical sync. Screen effects bloom. Gonna enable. Not gonna enable boom. Not gonna enable HDR. Texture quality high. I need that. Readable quality low. Decal cap. Let's set it to 8. Depth of fields no. That IGP is not him. Yes, it's because something something proton something something DXVK. I need to disable DXVK though, and enable OpenGL stuff. Water reflections off. I'm gonna enable reflections. Should I? Let's disable reflections for now. Multi-sapling low, enable shadows, shadow quality low, shadow filtering low, max interior shadows. I'm gonna set it to 4. Exterior shadows gonna set it to 4. View distance, actor fade in max, object fade in. By the way, why is it spoofing a way higher than Radeon though? What the fuck? Because DirectX and stuff want something that's like higher stuff, something something. But DXVK is like, oh, DXVK is different though. DXVK is OpenGL translating to Vulkan. Anyways, it's a bunch of this and that and that and that. Yo, SSD work not. What's good? What's good? Yeah, I have been streaming for a while now. I was streaming for like what? But you caught the stream before anything. I've been streaming for like what? Only 54 minutes, right? So you set mostly. No, it is not. Ah. Anyways, if money is your mindset, you already rich. We you know what? We're gonna ignore this for now. We're gonna just close and distant LOD. Yeah, we're gonna just do that for now. And okay. And exit. And just for testing out stuff. Why the hell did it run? I didn't want it to run. Oh, it's not running. Never mind. I'm fucking stupid. Fallout New Vegas. Using VFS, right? Using VFS. We're just gonna see if it's doing DXVK bullshit. Gentoo is one of my favorite Linuxes. That's that or Debian is it for me. But I hardly use it now. I've been using a lot of FreeBSD. BSD. Oh, okay. I never tried out BSD per se. I wanna do that eventually. Probably will do that on stream or something. But yeah. Gentoo is fucking peak though. And what still keeps me around Gentoo is mostly the community. Yes, please stand by. I fucking know. No. If we do this, yes. Even though everything broke, we're gonna ignore that for now, and just do back and new. Yes, ignore that this is. Ignore the window has an epileptic shock. I just want to test something out. Okay. It's using OpenGL then, because this fucking loads. And yeah. We're gonna wake up at Doc Michelle's house. Everyone knows how the fucking story goes. Yes. Exit game. Yes, thankfully it closed. Now, I forgot what specifically you I'm back again. Sorry, I had some issues. No worries. Was it like, yeah, it's because, listen, it's an old ass Bethesda game. It's running under 1,000 different layers. Of course, something is gonna break eventually. It's a fucking miracle that I can even run this, fam. It's a fucking miracle that I can even run this shit. So yeah. It's an old ass game from Bethesda and Oblivion. Not Oblivion, sorry, Obsidian. It's a banger game, but still, it's an old ass game. And it's running under 1,000 fucking layers. So, using Linux, right? wonder if it and there's X wayland that transfer X calls to wayland. There's fucking pipe art with this and that bullshit. There's there's wine stuff, and we have a mod manager that's using a VFS, right? And and we also are translating old ass calls to Linux calls, this and that and this and that and 1,000 layers, and it still works on this old ass system. This is fucking. I'm just happy that it even fucking works. Okay, I'm just happy that it even fucking works. Hey, so probably out of topic. Okay. But damn, you gave me mod privilege without a second thought. It's crazy, but yeah, but that's okay. Listen, I gave you mod privileges because you're a regular chatter. So yeah, and from what I've seen, you're mostly chill and not, a fucked up person. So yes, easy mod privileges because you're a regular chatter. Yeah, it's basically, yeah, the bet. Like if I had to give anyone mod, it would be a regular chatter. You are a regular chatter. So yeah, hence you get mod. Hey, probably out of topic. I'm a newbie to OpenGL. I did live and found it too simple, and I've done modern GL and Python before, so I'm familiar with OpenGL concepts. Any tips for a newbie OpenGL C++ dev? I haven't ever programmed in C++. I have not ever done like any kind of GUI programming. I just do scripting stuff, fam. I'm not knowledgeable about programming. So asking me for programming advice is, yeah. I'm not a programmer per se. Anyways, we have Zip then. Then tell us your portfolio of programming. I said like he's like me, but he's a sysadmin like me. Yeah, I try to do sysadmin stuff. Like writing software is interesting, but managing software and actually packaging software, that interests me more. Currently we're just gonna do we're just gonna fuck around with Amethyst, and if everything works, right? If everything works perfectly, then I'm gonna try to package Amethyst for Gentoo. But Amethyst would actually need to work fully. Yo, cool whips. What's good? What's good? I got you here too now. Uh, if this your first time on stream? You ever tried any TCL? Oh, you're Frank Castle. Oh, got it, got it. Oh, what's TCL again? I forgot. Currently is doing wizardry with that Garden Gnome's graphical user interface toolkit based program named the Amethyst Mod Manager. What are you on about, bro? Why use Gentoo? No offense. Why choose Arch over or Bamboo Linux? Bad joke. I don't know what Bamboo Linux is. Uh, I have. They call it Tickle. It's a scripting language from the days of old. Oh, oh, oh. I think I've heard about it. I think I heard about it in context of the there's another programming language that's like really Perl. I think I have heard people talking about TCL when they're also talking about Perl. I think. Yeah, Perl is one of the same. But okay, so I was right then, I guess. Holy shit, it's still actively developed? Oh, yeah? Yeah, the only scripting that I do is just with a shell. So bash or POSIX SH. And yeah. I wouldn't say that I'm like really good with Bash, but I would say that I'm decent enough in shell scripting. Use DuckDuckGo. It has relations with Microsoft Law. It's proprietary and don't block Microsoft attackers. I didn't know why I did DuckDuckGo. I have CRXNG. Huh? Yeah, it's a force of habit. It's a force of habit because I do have CRXNG that I'm fucking self-hosting. Why the hell did I even use DuckDuckGo? Oh, because recently I've been doing a lot of content creation stuff and my what's it called, the DuckDuckGo, the current CRXNG images is like fucking ass. Yeah, it's absolute ass. So I need to figure that out. Maybe Python, because Python, why not during state compiling binaries that are doing everything? Because shell scripting. Kanjaron on praying Deltarune just took 2 shots of vodka. Absolute legend. With the C4 energy as a chaser. Oh, snort a line of cocaine too, fam. Snort a line of cocaine. Don't do that. For the love of God, don't do that. But yeah. Sirix engine start with images are ass, you're correct. Yeah, it's ass because I haven't fully tinkered with it yet that much. I have tinkered with it, but I need to tinker with it more to have I got Admiral closer. Yeah, fam. Value your life. Don't get too high. Okay? Keep the moderation. I've told you. Moderation is the key. Moderation is the key. Johnny Guitar and VSE. Kidding, don't worry, low. Okay. But you know, you're a really good friend of mine, so of course I'm gonna worry. Do I take him out back? No. Don't ban B. Don't ban B. You remind me of my childhood friend, except happier. I'm not happier, trust me. I'm just laughing because I'm doing a stream and I'm just playing a character, I guess. But yeah. Not trying to be wholesome, being honest. But yeah, that means a lot. I hope your childhood friend is doing better now. Playing Dentru on my favorite. He's not happier, he's laughing, but he's in pain. Okay, the rat guy, don't expose me don't expose me like that. Don't expose me like that. But yeah. We love Gobo Linux. Okay, what's Gobo Linux actually? I love awesome. Bitch, you're using awesome WM? Holy shit! I really wanted to try that out, but the only reason I'm not trying awesome is because of X Wayland. It's because of X. Like, I started with Wayland, right? And I like all of my stuff, like all of my bullshit is based around Wayland. And I have to, if I want to try awesome WM, I have to move like so many fucking stuff. It's gonna be a pain in the ass. If you search it up, it'll explain it very well. Yeah, I fucking, the only reason I'm even using Hyperland, right? The only reason I'm even using Hyperland is because of fucking Lua. I want something. I'm really fucking waiting. Like, if I believed in God, I would fucking start praying to God. I would fucking start praying to God to have an awesome WM port in Wayland. I need that shit. I need that shit in my life. My childhood friend don't talk to me anymore, as for some reason he pretends to hate me in front of popular kids. The last thing I ever said to him was, "The Colonel moans you, brother." Damn. Damn. I feel sorry for you. Anyways, have you tried Mango? Yes, I have tried Mango WC. It's good. It's really good, to be honest. But listen, Rory. Okay, cool. B. Listen, B. Okay, one thing though. Should I refer to you as be on chat, or should I refer to like be on stream, or should I refer to you as Rory on stream? Because you know. Or is both fine? Anyways, long story short, just go to my YouTube. B is okay. Okay, just go to my YouTube. You will literally see why I switched over to Happyland. And it's like a 7-minute video or something. Just play it on 2x speed, right? Just play it on 2x speed, and yeah, you're gonna see why I'm using Happyland. TLDR is because of Lua. And the only reason I switched over to Happyland is because of Lua. Before that, I just used Ray. By the way, there's a fork of mango with Lua. Bitch, what? Abort everything. Abort everything. Abort everything. Mango. Okay, what's the name? What's the name? Holy shit, holy shit, holy shit, holy shit. Holy shit, Mango WC Lua. Oh no, Gerald is a Rasa. Oh, bro, bitch. What the fuck? Wrong word. It's not. I'm not a Rasta. What the? Okay, but what's the name? What's the name? Mango WC for Lua? Deck material, ASHO, VAP panel, DOF files, Mango Lua GitHub. Okay, let's just be Mango Lua. Mango Lua. Server Mango Solocraft. Solocraft module Lua ported. Mango Hub. Sounds like the hub. Hey, chat. You know the drums. Everyone knows the drums. Lua and okay, check Discord. Okay, let's open Discord then. Mango, I hardly know her. Check Discord. I said, yeah, I'm opening Discord. And obviously, did Discord just... Yeah, Discord just fucking started my system. Yeah, Discord just started my system. The stream is still on, right? Hopefully. Yeah, I checked. I just checked. Mango Lua. I hope the stream is still on. Anyways, Mango Lua. A user you've blocked has previously contributed to the repository. What the Claude? Fuck Claude. Anyways. Huh. Fork of Mango. See that Lua as Lua plugin system for scripting, composing, behavior at runtime. Everything I saw this session is stream Mango WC readme and applies unchanged. It installs alongside the original Mango a separate wayland session and reads the same. Both can coexist without conflict. Only Mango Lua loads config Mango and Lua and Lua. Provided as is, it might be not up to date. This is a personal fork. Huh. Fun fact, more people have died from that dadgooning than from wars and viruses. Use script hook API, rule API, RC bridge. Oh, I thought RC bridge. I was like, what? IPC bridge. Timer system. Session save restore. Plugin loader. Mango UI. Interactive picker. Browser real code. Needs multi-field. Huh. Interesting. Need to put that in my to-do list. Need to put that bad bitch in my to-do list. To-do. Right. Mangalua. But yeah, bees should be really thankful for the stuff, because otherwise I wouldn't have noticed it. Anyways, let's move to Tiplin Johnny Guitar. Johnny Guitar, baby. Again, you tell me who to time out. He who really found a life for a niche of a niche. This might be a project for another stream. Yeah, Magalua config stream would be cool. True. What's the I always pronounce Johnny with JHON instead of JOHN. I don't know why I do that, but yeah, I do that. My favorite browser is Chrome. Gunshot, I mean Edge. Second gunshot, I mean DuckDuckGo browser. Final gunshot. Nah, holy shit. Fair though. I ain't judging. J-Hard. Fam, I'm spitting out stuff. Links for the win. Yo, cool chips. I have something to show you. I have something to show you. Check this out, okay? Check this out. Do you know something about? Have you heard the name called Chawan? I don't know if you're currently using Gentoo, but I have packaged it for Gentoo. It's in the Guru repo, and this is Chawan. It's literally W3M on crack. It supports images too, like actual fucking images, but I'm not doing that fully yet. So if I wanted to open a bug, for example, 676767. Okay, valid bug number. Okay, let's do 67676. I think it does minor JS stuff, but mostly it has CSS stuff, and yeah. And on top of that, like, I'll show you some of the stuff. Hold up. Yeah, you can see that. And I'll also open up ARC real quick. And before I open up my fucking emails, I'll go to private mode. But there's a reason why I'm opening up my email stuff, because I want to show you something. Okay, Twitch, right? Saying this is gonna be fine. Anyways, Twitch. You're gonna see, right? Mr. Franka. So this is my email reader, and I'm using ARC. And this, I use ARC to have Chawan embedded, and it can basically show HTML emails like fully fucking perfectly. Your terminal is so beautiful, bro, guy. I lent my dad my razor. He goes to the toilet after 5 minutes. Dad didn't shave the beard. Because yeah, one of the problems with links was G was a total nightmare to get JS2. Yeah, it's like really fucking great. I wonder if I can show something in the trash, something from the trash. Find get access token, Patreon, $12 new member, Chawan release, Gentoo GLSA, Twitch stuff. Hold up, I'm gonna go to private mode for 2 seconds and see what if there's any nice stuff. Okay, terminal trove. Right, let's go to scene. So this is my terminal trove. I regularly read it, and yeah, as you can see, it's like pretty fucking decent, and it shows this image in here because I'm in Tmux, it won't render the images fully like properly in Tmux. And yeah, I did talk to the maintainer about it, like the dev about it, but they, yeah, it does support images though. Like if you're using Kitty normally, like Kitty, I think it will support the other. It should support. Uh it should support the what's it called? Ghost to DY. Yeah, Ghost to DY too. Because yeah, one of the render is really fucking nice. So I would recommend you, if you like terminals like me, I would recommend you to have Talon on your system because you can do a lot of stuff with it. Like a lot of the times when you're installing docs for any programs, there's the man pages, right? But there's also docs, and you can see them in user, share, doc. Yeah. So for example, docs for. Okay, I need to find HTML docs. HTML. Yes. Let's take a look at the Lua HTML, right? Or LuaJIT. Okay, let's take a look at the LuaJIT HTML, right? LuaJIT.html. Let's do that. And instead of opening that with my browser, right? Once I was a small child, I had a 104-degree fever, horrible, and I was hallucinating. Yes, so I was half awake, and my mother the concerned, so I asked her, "Are you real?" So you turned into AI for a moment. So I don't know, Frank Castle. I don't know if you're still watching, but most people would just uh, view the stuff in their browser or something, and a lot of people won't even do that. However, you can literally have aliases. Like I have this alias called dev manual, and it opens up the dev manual stuff with Chawan. I have for the Gentoo dev manual. So whenever I wanna get the function reference, I just open it up in my terminal instead of, yeah, it's pretty fucking sweet. So we can do Chawan and just give the file name, and as you can see, literally the Lua HTML manual in our terminal. So if your workflow is terminal centric, Chawan is a fucking bang. Remember, the name is Chawan and not CHA. So yeah, do remember that. And again, General loves Lua, so buy down General recommendation. Anyways, Johnny Guitar KVNSE animation plugin. Okay. Do I have Johnny Guitar? Did I install Johnny Guitar? Did I not install Johnny Guitar? Okay, I didn't install Johnny Guitar. Johnny Guitar, baby. Let's do Johnny Guitar. Slow download. I have an alias called JF, stands for or just ducking. Allow selected. Allow selected. Allow selected. Allow selected. Allow selected. Allow selected. So basically runs a previous command with sudo privileges, but it became useless when I heard about sudo. Sudo does the same thing. Huh? I didn't know that. I didn't actually know that. Holy hell. Hold up. Yazi. Oh, oh, oh. Hold up. So, hold up. So can I do, holy shit. Fam, you just leveled up my terminal workflow like 1000%. Just ducking with an F? Oh, fucking with. Anyways, but yeah, really, I'm really thankful for that. I'm really, really, really fucking thankful for that. Okay, Johnny Guitar is downloaded. We have before that. You know what? I'm gonna open up KeyProcessing and I'm gonna go to settings. Let's do key share. You're not gonna see stuff in your secret service. Prompt to unlock a database before searching. Johnny, get some fun guitar here. Here, censorship bars. Okay, I don't know. Prompt to unlock. NSFW here. It's not NSFW. It's just my fucking password manager. KNVSE animation plugin. Okay, KNVSE animation plugin. We're gonna install those. And we're gonna we're not gonna tinker that much. We're just gonna, yeah. We're just gonna see if stuff fucking works, right? By the way, I'm also in complete dark as I code and watch your stream. It saves electricity and I can LARP live as Batman Arrowhead hacker. That's peak. That's peak. And it's gonna do that. Put that in downloads. You can stop putting a downloads as stage nexus and it's not 12x faster. Hold up. Is it still downloading? Okay, it's downloading, I think. Oh, it's installing now. Yeah, it's just a bit slow. Allow selected, allow selected, allow selected. Yeah, you see, I can do allow future and allow all and future, but yeah, it's not fucking working. Allow selected, allow selected. I remember when I still need to program and I felt like new from the matrix when I used tkinter and Python. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna open up my password again and just confirm when clients confirm when password retrieved by clients. I'm just gonna do that for now. And shit. Anyways, for now it's gonna be like that. Chad, make sure to make me remember that so I disable that, so I re-enable that later. Anyway, show off XNVSE plugin. So show off XNVSE plugin, and we're gonna install that. Files, show off XNVSE. Let's do mod manager, please. Next is allow me, please, for the love of God, allow me to open a new tab, please. Why? Next is why? Fucking fine. I'm gonna open multiple fucking tabs. Download. Mod manager. Slow download. Slow download. No, nice. You're doing a stream on my mod manager session. Yes. And to be fair, holy shit, Cosmic Cassette Dust. This has been going pretty fucking well, and it still didn't break. Which MO2, like if you go to my previous streams on Fallout New Vegas, it's like 30 minutes of Fallout New Vegas and 2 or 3 hours of trying to fix MO2 and whatever the fuck the situation is happening, and just trying to debug the bullshit ass situation because everything breaks. Why did it? Oh, I didn't say it okay. I didn't say okay. Okay. Now it's not gonna show off NVSE. But yeah, it's been going pretty fucking well. And I'm really thankful that you showed this to me. In a lot of ways, this mod manager is better than the official Windows Vortex manager. Yeah. Because I fucking hate Vortex, right? I fucking hate Vortex. Because I really like how simplistic and powerful MO2's mod manager can be. And in here, I see the same thing. In here, I'm seeing that it's basically just priority-based MO2, and you can just easily move stuff. And this is what I fucking love about MO2. And now, it's fucking peak. And I can just have that. It still didn't break. And you're welcome for the mention. This is the day of Christmas or what? In general, is too happy for once. Just kidding, just kidding. Would you rather eat a bucket full of dog poo or switch to Windows 11 for 1 month? Switch to Windows 11 for 1 month. Hear me out. And not use my PC for 1 month. I ain't eating dog shit, but if I had to choose between if I had to choose between eating dog poo and switching to Windows 11 for 1 month, I would just switch to Windows 11 for 1 month, not use Windows 11 for 1 month, not use my PC for 1 month. Exactly, it just fucking works. You don't have to say I had to use Windows 11 per se. I just need to switch, and then I would just not just use Windows 11. The Nexus people were working on a Linux version of the mod manager. Then they had to learn. Then they had a leadership change and suddenly scrapped it in case of the false community saying, "Ah, fine, I'll do it myself." Yeah, I still remember when Nexus mods was being handed over. It was like fucking ages ago. But yeah, holy hell. I should have gotten the Nexus Premium back then. I should have tried to get the Nexus Premium back then, because then it was a lifetime subscription. You just get the premium for one time? It's like $2 or like $10 or something. I forgot. And it was a lifetime subscription. And the people that got the lifetime subscription are still getting the lifetime subscription, but now it's a monthly based or something. Okay, we have the show off X. We have show off any and show off NVSE. Let's do the show off any here. And base fixes. We're gonna ignore the stuff, and we're just gonna do the trans pride flag ranger menu. Trans pride flag. Huh? Did the mod got? Huh? Where the hell is my mod? Don't say it got removed or something. Bitch, what? Are you fucking kidding me right now? Hold up. Download history. Would you rather install LFS 100 times or bark at 100 strangers? Have your ISO speed? Install LFS 100 times. I'm glad I bought the lifetime membership on Nexus. It was like only $60. Not sure if it still exists. Yeah, it doesn't exist now. Why are you searching for the parallax? Because I like the main menu. No, there. I don't think there's a chance of, because the person that made the mod, I think, was also Nexus mod manager, moderation, like was on the moderation team too. I think. I'm gonna crash the fuck out. Play Terraria, please. No, not Terraria on streams aren't gonna happen anymore because of stuff. Yeah, Terraria on streams aren't gonna happen anymore. Why? I really like that. Oh, found it, found it, found it, found it. Let's go. Holy shit. Yeah, so okay, why doesn't this pop on the fucking main menu then? Why not Terraria stream happen? Why? Okay, so long story short, right? The Terraria stuff is just uh the Terraria stuff that I play in is a server that I play in, so I started playing Terraria with my girl, right? And me playing Terraria without her, and yeah, it's kind of iffy, and I don't want to do that. So yeah, no Terraria on streams. I only I only play Terraria like when she's also playing and we play together. So yeah, don't really wanna play without her, and she wouldn't really like that too. So yeah, no Terraria on stream. Oh, I'm sorry for your loss. Why? What do you mean I'm sorry for your loss? I didn't say I broke up with my girl or something. I'm just saying that. Okay, hold up. Alternate Tale of Two Wasteland, classic Tale of Two Wasteland. Choose one file. Alternate logo style and classic. Not the classic one. Okay, choose main file. This is the one that I want. That you smoked and oof lungs. Anyways, extract and the other stuff should happen. And before that, this should be in MISC. So create empty mod below, add separator above, and MISC. Oh, is an audio desync happening? Left, right, left, right. Is it still up? Oh, encoding overloaded 25 fucking minutes ago. Hopefully it's still not happening, because if it's still happening, then we're gonna have some problems. But hopefully it's still not happening. Left, right, left, right. Fun fact: Cora thinks injecting liquid fecal matter in your bloodstream is non-lethal. I'm I'm sorry. What? Huh? 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 Moving on. Anyways, oh, holy shit. Holy shit, I'm seeing the delay now. Oh, okay. So there's a problem. Should I restart the stream then? I could restart OBS. Fuck me, I'll restart OBS. I hope it's Chad. Yeah, the delay is bad. Okay, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna move to window 1, window 2, window 1, window 2. I need to know if it's the delay of the camera or the delay of the audio or something. Do a funny face. Okay, hold up, hold up. Hold up. I'm gonna do exit. Yeah. And I'm gonna join back the stream. And hopefully stream should be still up. Chat, I wanna know, is stream still up? No, stream ended. We're still on stream, by the way. Oh, stream ended? Like actually? Or like a joke? The stream is still going? Okay, so you two were fucking pulling my leg. Damn it, I thought you would say why did DLP live? Oh, fuck off. Don't make me pronounce that software's name. Bitch, cunt, shit, prick, eat a dick. A funny face? Why? Why the hell do I wanna you? Why the hell do you want me to do a funny face? I don't know. I can't do a funny face on. How did I make you say it a second time? I don't know, bro. I don't know. Let me live it, please. Okay, okay, fine. I'll do a funny face. I'll do a funny face. let me drink some water before I do a funny face. I don't know how to do a funny face. Anyways. Yeah, I don't know how to do a funny face. Well, YouTube don't ban him the beams. If I get banned, chat. If I get banned on YouTube, it's the Ran guy's fault. It's the Ran guy's fault if I get banned in YouTube. It's 100% the Ran guy's fault. 1000 fucking percent the Ran guy's fault. Bro didn't make a funny face, Lara. Okay, I'm gonna do a funny face. 2 minutes, right? Let's just see if this shit. Oh, is there another delay now? Is the delays happening again? Don't tell me there's a delay again, please. Ba-ba. 2 minutes will turn into 2 hours. It's not gonna turn into 2 hours, okay? It's not gonna. Yes, there's a delay. Please stand by as an accurate state of the stream. So the delay is happening left, right. It's not that much delay now, is it? I don't see frames missing or something. The network seems to be fine too. Delay is small. Oh, it's just the usual delay then. It's not. It's just the usual delay. Huge delay. Okay. I it's not that much, but OBS got head trauma. We find now 8 FPS. For some people, it's saying. Some people are saying 8 FPS. Some people are saying delay. Some people are saying it's not that much delay. What the fuck am I going to do with my fucking stream? Why? Why? Like I earn Fiverr? It isn't. Okay. So stop confusing me with the chat. Stop confusing me. OBS 82. Okay, it's not an OBS fault. It's just a fault with my system. Your stream is fine. People are streaming with you. Oh, thank you. Hello, uBlock already. I hate you. I hate you, okay? I fucking hate you. The next time, you're the one that's gonna get a timeout if you make me say the software names that is gonna get me in fucking trouble. Don't say the software names, for the love of God, bitch. Do you wanna get my stream in trouble? I already got a community violation for playing fucking music. It's just playing some music. What's that is an so that specific software is like a secure, it's for your security, okay? It's for your security, right? And it doesn't allow non-consensual viewing that you didn't consent to. So it's for security. It's fucking protection. It's not national security, it's international level security. You didn't consent on viewing ads, right? So yeah, ad blocks are security. You know what? Fuck it. uBlock, I'm gonna say the names. uBlock Origin is fucking base. Ad nauseum. Chat. Ad nauseum, try that out. Ad nauseum is banned by Google and it's the best. It's not even uBlock Origin level. This is what I use. Ad nauseum. You see this? Ad nauseum. I can't show the ad vault because it's gonna have NSFW stuff, but it just doesn't. It's based on uBlock, right? And it also generates click on the ad, but so it fucks with the ad companies, right? On top of that, there's ad nauseum, there's this. Why do the ads have NSFW in it? Because I get NSFW ads. Anyways. And yeah, also YTDLP is fucking based. I always fucking use YTDLP to download my streams. And chat, I always use YTDLP to download my songs. And piracy is morally right. And I don't care. I'm tired of fucking not being able to say the stuff that I fucking want. And if my stream gets another fucking community strike, fuck this shit. I use YTDLP to watch this stream in MPV from my terminal. Fuck you, based. Goodbye, I have departed. Departed or deported? Switch to Camtab or fucking, well, Odyssey? Or, I'm not gonna switch to Odyssey. Like, if I get fucked in YouTube, I still have Twitch and Kick. So, yeah. Now, we wanna do some tweaking. Fallout New Vegas launcher, right? We wanna do that tweaking now. And also, before the tweaking, we wanna... Yes. Options. Advanced. Water stuff, shadows, view distance. Yeah, let's fuck around with the view distance. Light fade is good. Item fade, that is good enough. Shadow fade, this is good enough. Grass fade 3 seems okay. Could go to 4. 3 seems fine. Close. Anti-disturbing, blah blah. This is off. Screen effects off. I could enable bloom. Should I? You know what? Bloom kind of seems nice. Do kind of like bloom. Okay, let's disable bloom for now. Let's disable bloom for now. But bloom also gives the New Vegas type. New Vegas. Wait, no, YouTube, Odyssey is a YouTube alternative. There's also a no word by YouTube on OXD. Let us try. YouTube, Odyssey's kind of dead, if I'm gonna be honest. It's like, from what I've seen, I have an Odyssey account and I still try to sync my YouTube channels with it, YouTube stuff to it. But yeah, Odyssey is mostly dead-ish. Bloom has peak 2000 shit, bro. True. You know what? Let's enable Bloom. Not gonna enable HDR, but yeah, let's just enable Bloom. Because I don't have HDR. Also, Camtape is a YouTube alternative. I found that's actually based as fuck. Need to check it out then. Is it like PeerTube or something, or is it like a different platform? Like, is it not PeerTube? Sorry, is it like a YouTube front end, or is it like a different platform? No, it's wholly different. Now also you have work in standard definition. Okay, okay, got it. Anyways, we're gonna quit the stuff for now, right? We're gonna quit Amethyst Mod Manager. And why am I saying we're gonna quit the Amethyst Mod Manager? Because it's some Gentoo time. So let's go to my Codebug group PRs and see what I need to do, and let's just see. Did Magoni said anything? Magoni didn't say anything. After that, done. Just gonna comment that to notify them. And oh, hold up. Does it have okay? Package check build. That doesn't matter that much. Anyways, EVA SDK. Let's go to this real quick and Gentoo Guru. What were we working again? Oh, we were working again. Oh, we were okay. Let's work with nerd fonts a bit. Let's work with nerd fonts a bit then. And let's see, one can easily get a list of latest releases by this. After that, the font changes can be easily seen by different the two ebuilds data. I use fonts, net fonts, fonts. Yeah. And we set. Now, let's do sudo ebuild nerf fonts. And Vim by I'm back, bro. Hold up. When you poo, you use hand, tissue, or wet wipes. Stop asking out of like some diabolical ass questions, okay? Stop asking diabolical ass questions. Okay, can we check it out on stream since XSD? Just joking, nerding, fonting. Camtape? Yeah, we can check it out on stream. Don't really mind that much. Hopefully it's not an SFW though. Private. Sorry, you have been blocked. Probably because I'm using a VPN. And I'm not gonna. Bruh, do I take him out, Baxter? You don't need to. You don't need to. You don't need to. Listen, the rat guy. You don't need to like just lay low with the moderation. You don't need to ask. Like if people are just being a bitch, I'm just probably gonna tell you to do that. Otherwise, just otherwise, you're like yeah, just chill out. Otherwise, you can chill out. Hmm. Did you know that if you shout 6-7 4,000 times at 3M, an entity known as your mother will beat you? The good counter is a SPAS 12 shotgun. The ran guy, is it just me? Or does SSD work not is really like D-Shield? Is it just me? Yeah, deja vu. Deja vu. Because SSD. Because, yeah. I also got a deja vu, but then I realized that, yeah, D-Shield also said that joke. And DLC, like SSD work not is like really. Yeah, Oh, hold up. Okay, actually, though, SSD work not. Do you know is D? Are you D-Shield? Yes, no, huh? Because yeah, you do feel like D-Shield a lot. But yeah, only two people. I've only heard that joke for only two people. D-Shield and you. So yeah, this is why I was talking about it. Anyways, he probably caught. This is like D-Shield but Cora flavor. True. Let's check if it can do the install properly. Is it a way that I can? I wonder if there a way that I can have every single use flag enabled. Sudo ebuild use this. Okay, sudo and just uses this. Wonder what will happen. Oh, manifest is already created. Let's do fetch. Let's do install. Brevis packaging nerdfroms. I like nerdfroms is already packaged. I'm just updating the ebuilds. Don't be sad about damage on torn clothes. Hole in your pantaloon. Stick your dingle out of it when you wanna pee in the urinal. Is Twitch alive? Because they sometimes freeze, you know? I think they're alive. I don't know. Could be wrong. Hold up, Hmm. You know what? Let's do Senpai. Let's ask in dev help. It's dev help time. Maybe. Do I have any pings? I don't think I have any pings. I think so. Let's do this. Okay. And buffer Gentoo dev help. And I want to know, is there an easy way to temporarily enable every single use flag for a package in the I tried something like this, not working. Fun fact, the Egyptian men, due to parasiting the Nile River, also had cycles, just like women have. You don't understand, I'm talking about, yeah, menstrual cycle. I'm using decent English. Just say menstrual cycle. It's the normal thing. Everything that happens to everyone with, yeah, it happens to everyone with a uterus. So, eh. Anyway, so are you a live Gentoo contributor? Yes, yes, I contribute to Gentoo. I will get banned if I say menstruation. Menstruation. Why? Also, that menstruation is always like hard to pronounce for me. I don't know why. Menstruation or menstruation? Let me. You won't. I am the bot here. True. You know what? Let's go to google.com. If YouTube like auto bans the blog or something, then it's a YouTube problem. Then YouTube is just being a fucking bitch. It's a normal thing. Menstruation pronoun, and I don't know why a lot of people make it like
Menstruation.
Oh, menstruation. Oh. Because it has a fucking. This is the thing. This is the thing with. This is the thing with English, okay? It fucking. This is the thing with English. You have a U, but it pronounces like stray. Then why the fuck is it? Why the fuck is it spelled like that? Spell it normally, bitch. Ah. Fun fact: Jensen Huang is a person who exists. This is why he breathes air as human breathe air. English sucked from a native English speaker. Yeah, and not even native English. It sucks. I hate it. You know what? I'll just copy. You know what? I'll just hold on. I have an idea. I have an idea. Said use, and I'm just yeah. I'm gonna just do that. I'm gonna just do that and just clean install. Huh. It's specifying use, so why the fuck won't it? Weird. You're not native English, but your English is so good, bro. Guru Babaji, Guru Media, Guru Teacher. Wait. SSD work now. Do you know? Huh? Are you South Asian by any chance? Are you from South Asia by any chance? No? Oh, because you said Guru and Babaji, I was like, wait, is this person from South Asia? Well, not no, not yes. Tell me more. Now I'm interested. If you want to share, if you don't want to share, that's fine too. But yeah, now I'm interested. My lawyer has asked me to not talk more about this thing. Okay. Moves to Hong Kong. We have Ubuntu Sans, Undertale confirmed by Ubuntu. Undertale confirmed by Ubuntu. No, Undertale 2. We're gonna have Undertale 2 by Ubuntu. Yo, Undertale 2 Ubuntu, holy shit! It's a fucking bar. It's a fucking bar, Chad. It's a fucking bar. Let's do unpack. Why is it only unpacking 03270 and hack nerd font? Huh? Huh? I'm kind of getting pissed off. Is it? It is Undertale 3-1. It is racist against every other font in the universe. So is it because I have? I can swear I've previously used something like this. You know what? Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. I'll just copy to this, and I'll just copy this Zmono and Nvim, Etsy, Portage, use nerd fonts. Yes. Now media fonts, nerd fonts. Have that. Some goals. Oh, 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 oh. I think I know what's the fucking problem. Bro, what pause? Okay, XSD, play background music, sorry on happy and happy, please. Okay, I'll do that. Also, Sonar is such a nice file manager for Sway, I must say. I haven't used Sonar per se. I've just been rocking Yazi for the last couple of years. SD has become diesel even more. True. Let's disable symbols only though. And I have a suspicion that this ain't working because of. Hold up, I have a suspicion. Let's do sudo ebuild clean, right? Still only superstition, you might say. Yes, I like. Uh, KD apps have too many dependencies. 100%. Yes, I like light DM. I just use tweak greed. Yeah, greed is a fucking banger. Chat. Oh shit. Lowercase Vim. Okay, Vim. Turn everything to lowercase. My favorite YouTuber, me. Changing case and Vim. Okay. U uppercase or U for lowercase. Oh, GV U. Yeah. Now will it work? Didn't know that. That's fucking peak. May not have videos, but I have soul. Is that an Undertale reference? Okay, now everything will fucking work. Yeah, now it fucking works. Wonder if I should just download every single nerd font. Should I do that? I could do that, but I don't know if I should. I have videos, but I enjoy pain. Duranga, do you actually make videos? I think I checked out YouTube once. Hold up. Yes, I do. Oh, that's peak. That's peak. Hold up. Why is you fucking YouTube not? Oh, what? I didn't know there was a SDM Gentoo config package. About Windows NT4. Hold up. Holy hell. Yeah, LibreWolf is fucking being a bitch. Let me check. Let me fully. Yeah, it's my browser is getting hammered. I need to take a fucking piss though. Chat, hold up. Chat, behave, behave well. I'm gonna go out for a bit, and I'm just gonna go take a piss, and I'm gonna be back in 1 or 2 minutes. Okay? So, piss break scene commencing. Okay, hold up. Background music. Let me, before I go to piss, then, before I go take a piss. Background music, sorrow and happy. Okay, let's do that. I'm gonna hold in my piss and just gonna fucking LibreWolf is not good. Fuck, why the hell is LibreWolf not opening again? Please. My system is getting hammered. I'm getting fucking stutters. I'm getting stutters like fucking crazy. Yeah, encoding overloaded. Holy hell. I'm getting so much fucking encoding overloaded. Let's check my DFH. Let's I need to check my storage. I need to keep an eye on my storage. I need to make it clean. Holy hell, I should not have. Yeah, the Vesca stuff is like, yeah. Time to have fun without in general. Ultra malware moment. Okay, DF8, right? Let's see. 12 gigabytes left. I need to make a clean. Yeah, I need to fucking clean shit ASAP. But if I do a clean shit now, let's hope that I won't get fully hammered, okay? Let's just pray and hope that 11 gigabytes. Okay. JetBrains mono. Do I have enough JetBrains mono? Where the hell is JetBrains mono? Oh. Still a lot of fucking stuff left. Okay. Hmm. Sudo emerge deep depth clean. I'm not gonna run my clean script stuff because that may cause some issues. But if I add depth clean now, then my stuff is gonna get more hammered. In the meantime, the name was Sorrow Unhappy, I think. I'm not trying to roll, just a little bit late, though it's already been done. If you see me, it's a burn to us. Say hi, but if I see. No, not community strikes. Hopefully, we won't get community strikes just by playing Sora Unhappy. Let's see what's the stuff from. I'm not trying to ruin your fun. You're just a little bit late. The wipe's already been done. If you see me, you should want to. And we literally just talked about YTDLP and shit, so this stream is like peak. Let's do. Oh, Gotham Chess had 8 million subscribers. That's fucking peak. My password is hash hash hash, and you said it again. XD, I joke. Just kidding. I love it. Hold up. I still need to go take a piss. But sorrow unhappy. Okay. Sorrow unhappy. Just a little bit late. It's already been done. If you see. Oh, this is the song. Wait. D-Shell also, I think. Oh, was it D-Shell that recommended this to me, or was it XST Versa? Okay. Yeah, this song. Yes, I remember it. Mm. Stream is getting hammered though. Copy link. Yeah, deja vu. I'm getting a lot of fucking deja vus. 9.8 gig is left. Okay, add YT. Please tell me that it can add the stuff. We can hear the Azan in the background. Oh, can you? I think I have. Oh, even after the noise cancellation. Damn. Just a little bit late. I have to fucking take a piss. And I'm gonna go take a piss after this works. Let me close read the wolf. Why is it taking so fucking long? You know what? You know what? You know what? I really gotta go take a piss. So I'm gonna go. I'm gonna come back in a few minutes. Okay? Okay, chat. I'm gonna go back and come back in a few minutes. It's not over. Where the fuck is my microphone? Chad, I am back. I'm back, baby. Now, holy hell, it's so peaceful now. After taking a piss. Like, I think one of the best fucking moments is, what the fuck? SSD worked out. I just ended my wagon search just to see your stream. Yeah, they did say that at one point. They did say that at one point. But it's fine. Not bad. Don't worry about it too much. Oh, you can see logs? Holy hell! I don't think even I can see logs. DFH. We have 7.3 gigabytes left. We are cooked. And this is still calculated dependencies. Okay, ARM-PC. As I don't know, SSD work not. Are you still here? This music is for you. Chat, I'm just checking my matrix real quick in the meantime, so yeah. Turned off the... Anyways, let's go back to seeing. Matrix is... Huh. There's a fucking delay again. There is a delay again. Yeah, I can literally see the delay. I can literally see the delay. Why does it happen to me? Why does it happen to me, chat? Why does it happen to me? Why does it happen to me? Okay, can I fix the delay by just video capture? Yeah, there's a that's a good delay. Yeah. I'm gonna